Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Technologic YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss about the AdSense approval. So many of the users are commenting that why my AdSense account is not approving. So what is the reason? So today in this video I am going to explain the full details about this. So if you are trying the Blogger, so if you want to approve the Google AdSense, watch the full video, and if you have any doubts related to this you can comment down below. So before going to the video, one small request friends, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. And also if you are not yet watched our playlist Blogger for the beginners, you can watch our playlist to get AdSense approval. So here friends, I added all the proofs also friends, from the beginner to the advanced level, where you can reach the 100% of Google AdSense approval. So you can watch these videos and you can get the AdSense approval for your blog. So now let's get into the topic. So basically what we do is, basically all of the users, so many of the users were texting for me why I'm not getting the AdSense approval. So main the reason here is that so many of the people are just posting 2 or 3 articles and texting me that why I'm not getting AdSense approval. So basically friends, when you do 2 or 3 articles, it is not fulfilled. So here you need to write the minimum of 10 or 20 articles. 10 means also friends, you need we have to write the keyword should be more friends. So if we write only 100 words and if we write 20 articles also, you will not get AdSense approval. So minimum of 1000 keywords, if you do the 20 articles, you will get an approval 100% friends. So I also done nearly 22 articles I written, and with the more than 1000 keywords. So 1000 keywords nothing but words, so where you can use. So this is the first point where you have to do to get the AdSense approval. And the second one is copy and paste. Don't copy the content from others friends. This thing is mainly what we do is just we will copy the content from others and we will paste. So you can refer the content, it is not a problem friends. So don't copy the content. So if you copy the content, what is the use? For example, let us see that there is an article regarding the, let us take as keyboard. So if you're copying the same content, your post will not rank in Google, and also that post will be the older post which you are copying already, it will be ranked and you will not get any use. And if you don't get any traffic also, if you don't get rank and if you not get traffic also, so if you not get traffic, obviously you don't get any earnings from the Google AdSense. So this is the second thing. And the third thing is maintain the HTTPS links and all properly. So basically what happened is, we will not link properly the domain and the hosting. So what we will do is, in the WordPress we have to take if you take other hosting services, so we have to take the SSL certificate friends. For the bloggers, blogspot.com, it's not a problem. So we will get obviously free SSL certificate with the Google AdSense. So for the person one who is taking the hosting service must take the SSL certificate. It's nothing but, so here we will get an HTTPS. So basically HTTPS so provides the security purpose. So this is the thing we have to do. And the next thing is friends, arranging your theme. So basically we need to arrange the theme accordingly friends. We need to show the privacy policy, contact us pages also. So if you don't know how to create all the privacy policy, contact us, minimum requirement, these are the minimum requirements for the Google AdSense. So if you don't know how to create all these things, so I already included that in our playlist Blogger for the beginners 2020. So just you can go through it. So I already done video related to that, each video. So you can just go through that to create some pages and maintain the header and footer clearly friends. And don't if you are adding any custom theme also, just modify it. And if someone are adding just like sharing buttons, so basically what we do is just we will add the sharing buttons, but we don't have any links and all. So maintain properly friends. So when we are adding any feature, just integrate the feature fully. So when we leave all those things, we will get some errors and we won't get any approval. And also maintain the unique articles friends. This is the main thing. So for example, let us think that there is no there is no article related to the latest thing, take as OTG. So this is for only for the example I am saying. So if you think that there is no article related to the OTG, so if you write the articles, 100% you will get ranked in the Google. So you need to write the unique articles, friends. So when you write the unique articles, you are 100% sure that you will get an Google AdSense approval, and also your article will be ranked. So you need to write such a way that SEO friendly, and you need to maintain the blog right way, and the themes also, and another thing is domain, friends. So it is not mandatory, but if you have an high level domain, it is better, you will get faster Google AdSense approval. So when you are doing the blogging, it is better to take the domain. I hope we can get around 4 to 500 also. So sometime I will be uploading related to that, how you can get the domains for the lesser price also. So take the .com, .in, .co domains. These are higher level domains, and there are some other also. Just you can go through that, so it will be help us to get the AdSense approval faster. I hope this video will be clear all your doubts to the Google AdSense approval. So you can do these changes and you can get the AdSense approval. So thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubts related to that AdSense approval, just you can comment down below. And if you are like this video, please do share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video.